Filthy. Oh, that crowd build up. Today we're just trying to finish up David's car. Just doing a little bracket to the intake pipe so it doesn't flop around so much. And after that, I think it's seat rails if he gets them here in time, or else he might do that himself. They're just bolt-in ones. And that's it. I think she'll be done.
Got the vibes, got the vibes, got the vibes, got the vibes.
We're doing lowering springs on this E46 wagon. Snap-on Wrap hit me with that new hoodie for my birthday. It's the new fit. You know how it goes. RBs. Ben was working hard on getting David's car ready for a lap day up at Vancouver Island Motorsports Circuit. Just came back from Tori over at Slats Kits. It got fully repainted and a lot of body work. So yeah, it doesn't even look like the same car, but it's ready to go. Got the vibes, got the vibes, got the vibes, got the vibes. Hey, Wei.
Hey.
How's it going?
Am I allowed to talk?
I think you're allowed to talk, yeah?
Yeah?
Do you guys think Noah's allowed to talk? Let us know in the comments, or does he talk too much in general? Don't let Dad see it, sorry. Dad's gonna say you talk too much after I just said that.
I'm purposely looking past the camera as if you're not even there. Oh, and by the way, Reboot? Yeah, my mind's kind of stupid. Reboot was not cyborgs. It was just like, it was like humans, but in like space and shit.
But they weren't?
No, they're not cyborgs. They're like normal, kind of like,
They're like aliens.
they're digitalized people, but they're blue and other colors, and there's like a dog and shit. I started watching again. It's actually really good. I don't know if anybody commented or anything about Reboot, but look it up. There's like blue guys. He's got this fucking crazy cool hair, and yeah, Watch reboot.
That's a sick shot.
I know, right?
We just installed the lowering springs on all 4 corners of this beamer, and we're just waiting on some parts and she'll be on its way.
You really? There you go. That's better, man. 2 fingers?
3.
Oh,
I guess 2.
she got fucking big meat clobber hands like this. It's not even 2, it's like 1 3/4.
It's 3.
Dude, you're on an angle, you gotta go straight in.
Straight in.
Yeah, it's 2.
It's 3.
Go the side by side on the
That thing's getting in alignment. Joel and Jeff are working on some stuff outside. It's a busy ass day. Sorry for not filming more. It's been tough. Dude, I don't want to keep saying like and subscribe, but like and subscribe. You should just do it anyway. See you guys.